How to log in to your Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on tech and cryptos. If you're also trying to log into your Netflix account to start watching videos, then in today's video I'm exactly going to show you the steps that you need. Now either you can do this process from the app of Netflix or the website. For this video we're going to use the website, but it's also going to be the same process for the app. For using the website, you're going to need to search for netflix.com. And if you're using an app, you directly need to open up the app and click on the sign in button on the top right, and you'll see this login page. Next, type in your email address or your phone number that you've added while signing up for Netflix. After you do that, type in the password. Make sure your password is correct. And you can click on this show option to reveal this password. Now if you don't remember your password to your account, you can click on need help. And you can reset your password either using your email address or the text message option. And from there you'll be able to create a new password. But if you do remember it, you can click on sign in. And there you go, you have been now successfully logged in to your Netflix account. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.